love you. You know I love you. Won't never think about it, girl. You know I trust you. I said I love you. I said I love you. I said I love you, babe. You know I love you.
Oh, hey. Hey, my babies, so somebody back again with another video. Hey, what's up? What's good? If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos. You guys are probably like wondering, like, girl, where's your braces? Like, where are they? I am off on Wednesday. Dark for you guys. So anyways, I started off with brushing, combing, whatever you guys prefer. And then I just go in. I don't even use this. I don't feel like holding anything. Lazy. Simple. You see the difference? No, you don't. Okay. Nails by Wet n Wild. Sponsor me, please. I'm just gonna take some really watery old concealer that's been left open because the cap is broken, and we're just gonna go ahead and with our baggy eyes. Like I look like a scarecrow. Thumbnail. Okay, so like, I'm not saying I'm a pro at brows, okay, because I'm not at all. But this is like my very first video of me talking and just being absolutely myself and retarded. We're at 40 subscribers, by the way. Thank you, for watching my videos and just subscribing, because who cares about the videos? Just subscribe. Right from there. It seems like most of you guys like my reaction videos, of course. We're gonna go ahead and try our foundation, of course, because you don't want to look like a ghost. Too much. So we're just taking our normal so-called burgundy shade. It's close to burgundy. Okay. Alright, so I'm trying to remember what the picture looks like. So I think there's like a little bit of black right here. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can mimic this without physically looking at it. Something for the glitter to stick. So who cares? Not me. So this is the glitter that I have. So I just, they look a mess. I'm not good at wearing eyeliner, but that's what the picture was, so. And I also took off the foundation and everything from my face. Like I said, I don't do that for real. I look a hot mess up close, but we're not done. So I'm just placing on my lashes, because why not? Gold highlighter for the shenanigans. I want to be like as good as makeup as James Charles, because like he is, oh my gosh, sister. Alright, so I learned from him. Above brow. Above brow highlight is like the best. This is what I have. And of course this looks really bad with the outfit that I'm wearing right now.
patient, I waited, and waited. When they all say, mama, I made it. They talking, but they be hiding. All my niggas sliding. If I call, say I got a problem. All my little niggas be wildin'. You don't want a problem. Get caught in when y'all staying silent. I put myself on a map. You know why?
The finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. That's what. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for 40 subscribers.